What's the meaning of copper sulfate? Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is a chemical compound made up of copper, sulfur, and oxygen. It is commonly used in agriculture as a pesticide and fertilizer. When added to water, it forms a blue crystalline solid. Copper sulfate is toxic to plants and animals in high concentrations, but in low concentrations it can promote plant growth and be used as a treatment for aquatic pests. It is also used in the production of dyes, pigments, and other chemicals. Overall, copper sulfate has a wide range of applications due to its versatility and effectiveness as a chemical compound.